welcome back to my channel. This is your girl M, and today I'm giving you a tour of my bedroom slash office space. So if you're interested to see how I was able to design the whole space, then please keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with what I would consider is the bedroom. So starting off with the rug, I got the rug from, I wanna say Overstock or Wayfair, and it is, I wanna say an 8x9 rug. And I thought it would just be nice to have like a neutral gray. The kind of the theme of the bedroom area is light, airy with some touches of golds, yellows, silvers, and things like that. So I wanted to kind of continue on with the theme, so I got this gray rug. And the bed is a queen size bed that I got from Macys. So I got the mattress, the box spring, and the frame from Macys. The bedding is from Target for the duvet cover. The insert, I believe, is from Kohl's or Bed Bath and Beyond. I got this throw from West Elm. It's super soft and comfortable, so I just like to keep it at the edge of the bed. And I have this backrest pillow thing from Target. It was really good and affordable, so like $25 I think is what I snagged it up for. And I get some additional pillows. The two printed ones are from Society 6, and the mustard color one is from H&M Home. And the pillows that I use to go to sleep, actually, these are like silk pillows, just because, you want to make sure your skin is good, your hair is good. So silk pillows are definitely the way to go. So I got these, and super comfortable, super soft, love them so much. And I can't remember, I think they're from Silk. I think that's the brand. I can't remember exactly what it was, but you can find these on Amazon, anywhere really. The sheets I got from Layla Sheets, and they are super comfortable. They are bamboo sheets, and if you're a hot sleeper like I am, I sweat sometimes, TMI, but it happens. These sheets are great because it just helps to kind of keep you cool, and it doesn't make you hot like other like cotton sheets do. So definitely would recommend this if you are looking for a really nice bamboo sheet. And for the wall decorations, I decided to go with a tapestry kind of hanging here. So this is from Society 6, and this also matches my pillows here, which I thought was nice to kind of tie things together. The bed frame is from Amazon, and it's like a gold brass kind of color. I thought it would pair nicely too with the silvers and the white and gold that I have in this area. And then moving to the nightstand. The nightstand is from West Elm, and I just keep two notebooks here. So one is kind of like a daily kind of schedule planner, and then the other one is just kind of some things to keep in mind. It's from H&M Home. It's one line a day, and basically you just write something every day for 5 years, and you can just kind of go back and reminisce and think about the things that you wrote, which I thought was really cute and nice to have. So I try to write in it every day. And I also have this diffuser from Virtruvi. It is legit one of my favorite best Black Friday purchases, and it's just like this really nice, I forgot the name of the color, but it's like a taupey, rustic kind of color, and I thought would pair nicely. I didn't want to have another white kind of element here because I didn't want it to completely blend in, but I wanted to have something there that kind of popped, and having a diffuser is very nice. So on this wall, I have this painting or print of the map, and it's just like a nice little reminder of all the places I want to go. Since we can't really travel during COVID, I thought this would be cute to have on the wall. So that's hanging. Is 3 separate pieces. I believe they're from either Overstock or Wayfair, but yeah, if I can find it, I will link it below. And that is pretty much it for the bedroom area. So really simple. Like y'all know, this is a studio, so I didn't want to do too much here. I wanted to keep it as light as possible so it wasn't too overbearing in the space. And this is how I've decided to set it up. Now moving to what I would say is my office area, and that's me. So it's more like an office slash beauty area, I guess. So starting here, I wanted to figure out a way to kind of break up the room, because obviously this is the bedroom and then you're just jumping right into work. So I decided to get these Pampas grass, faux Pampas grass from Road Market. And so there are two of them, which I think were like $25 each. I can't remember, but I did get them from Road Market, and I got the vase from Michaels. So just to kind of help break things up, I thought it would be cute to have there. And then this is my desk area. So this is where I pretty much work every day, my, full-time job. And I just have a cute little setup here. So I have my laptop set up there, my monitor I got from Best Buy, the stand I got from Amazon, my computer that I use to actually edit videos is there. And I also have my keyboard separate and a coaster because I'm always drinking coffee, and my mouse. So all that is just kind of a nice easy setup for me so I can easily work and make it functional. The desk is from Target, so I'll just pull this out. So the desk is from Target. It's I believe part of the Opal House collection, which is one of my favorites. Disregard the cords. I still need to figure out how to hide them. I don't know, but yeah, I'm still figuring that out. But where I actually do store my outlet kind of things is in this basket, which is from Target. So I thought it'd be cute just to have something there versus having it on the floor. But I still need to figure out how to hide the cords on the wall or something. And in the drawers, I have what I would consider my work slash beauty station. So I'll start here. So here I have kind of my everyday beauty items. I have some hand lotion here from Saboon, really great brand there. But this is where I kind of get ready as well. So we are going somewhere which is not likely. So this is where I usually get ready. I just have all of my things that I use on a regular basis. So kind of my face powders, concealers, random stuff, lip glosses, lipsticks, sprays, everything. Here, my brushes, eyes, anything that I possibly could need, really. I just keep it in this drawer. Some eye palettes here. So that's kind of how I try to keep myself sane and not have any other things on the desk area to make it as clean as possible. And in this drawer, it was supposed to only be tech stuff, but I have a lot of makeup, y'all, so we're gonna figure this out, but work in progress. So I still do have my tech stuff here, my thermometer, just in case it's still COVID out here, y'all. So we gotta get tested when you come in here. Gotta know your temperature, so do have that. And then I have earbuds and some more makeup stuff too. So I'm still figuring out how to kind of organize this a little bit better, but for now it works. So I'm gonna keep it as is right now. And then also for the beauty area, I got this. It looks a little dusty. I just wiped it, but it's not dirty, trust me. But I got this mirror from Home Goods. It is an Impressions vanity mirror, which I got on a really great deal. It has the lights, which is perfect when I'm getting ready, and you can change the temperature a little bit too, which is nice. I don't actually know if it works actually. Oh, yes it does. Okay, so you could change the temperature a bit, just gotta press a little hard, which is really nice. So I really like using this mirror when I'm getting ready. And then I also have this wall sconce. So I sometimes it gets dark in here once I'm working like past 5 o'clock, or especially now when the sun goes down a lot earlier. So I wanted a lamp, but I didn't want to put anything on the actual desk. So to avoid having another thing on the desk, I decided to put a wall sconce on the wall right next to my desk. So this is from Target, and it's like literally the perfect thing, perfect solution when you have, you know, limited space. So I got this, main reason why is because it has a clear wire. So I just use command strips. This is actually being held together by command strips too. But I use command strip hooks to kind of make it flush to the wall as much as possible. So you can't really see it, which I thought was really nice. And it's just a great addition, so I don't have to worry about extra lighting and having it on the desk area. And to make it even more cuter, I wanted to put something on the wall here too, just because I thought it was looking a little plain. So I got this wall shelf from Target in the actual kids section. So do not, you know, skip the kids section. You might find some cute pieces there in regards to furniture. And here I just have a vase that I got from H&M Home. I have this diffuser from what's it called? Hotel Collection, which is really nice. This is a great scent. This plant was gifted to me by my manager, which was really cute, so thank you to her. I also have this cute bag that I wanted to just kind of keep in display. It's from Brandon Blackwood out of New York. It says end systemic racism, because, you know, we need to do that. That's just a thing. So thought it looked really cute here, so I decided to kind of put it up there as some decor too. And up top I have this faux plant from Target and this empty planter from Amazon. So still trying to figure out what to put in there, but so far I thought this was cute, a nice little addition here. And on the wall up here I have this frame, or this quote from Target. It says, "Live the life you've always dreamed of. Be fearless in the face of adversity. Never stop learning. Use your imagination whenever possible. Recognize the beauty that surrounds you. Remember where you came from, but never lose sight of where you are going." I think it's just a nice little reminder to kind of be present, be authentically you, and yeah, just come with it, because you never know what's gonna happen, and it's just important to kind of wake up every day feeling that motivated and positive. So it's a perfect place to put this, because I can just wake up, look at that, and I'm like, okay, I'm ready for my day. Let's get some coffee, let's do this workout, whatever it's gonna be, let's just get it done. So love that there. And that is about it. Oh, and I also got this chair from Target. It's like this orange color, silver hardware here. I thought it was kind of cute to kind of pair with the kind of like interesting space for work. So I wanted my desk area to be a little bit more punchy, have a little more attitude, because I want it to be motivating and inspiring space to work. So I kind of went with like the boho kind of feel here versus where my bedroom is, which is more so serene and quiet and clean and stuff. So yeah, that is the space, y'all. This is my bedroom slash office slash beauty area. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts, because your girl is very interested. Do you like the way I set it up? You know, I'm really trying to make it as functional as possible in this tiny little space. So yeah, I definitely want to hear your thoughts about it. And of course, if you are not subscribed, honey, subscribe. I'm here. We're putting out content. This is a good vibe, and I want you part of the family. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video, why not? And yeah, I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.